Yo guys, welcome back. So today, David and his team, Epoxy Works, the guys who are working on cleaning up our floors, are finishing up cleaning the front area, which is supposed to be the retail space. So today we might actually start painting, which explains all of this paint material. But I'm just gonna start bringing everything in, and also I'm gonna be finishing up cleaning the mezzanine area, which is basically my new studio space. That's what I got these particle boards for. And this is gonna be for a little DIY counter that we're gonna be making for the mezzanine balcony area. So bring all those inside. Yeah, today, hopefully get as much of the painting done as we can in this building, because actually in a few days here, we're supposed to be doing a soft opening, which means that this place is supposed to be cleaned up and most things moved into here for our customers. So yeah, let's get today started. I've spent like $1,000 on paint so far. It's probably not even gonna be enough for this place. From down here, you can see we cleaned up that space up there, and we're planning on just painting that top area black, or maybe just white. This entire place is gonna be clean white. And also, we're gonna have a few machines in here, all our toolboxes, hopefully a couple of lifts. Well, no, not hopefully, definitely a couple of lifts. It's just 2-post or 4-post, we don't know.
Drop, sorry.
All right, show you guys the progress up here. So yeah, this little door nook, we're definitely gonna leave, but I'll be painting the walls. Continued putting up the frame, or the wood, so it's a little more prettier inside here. Now we just gotta paint these white. That counter that I was talking about, my idea is actually to start from here, cut a corner, and then have it so that it's above this piping. It'll be just a small countertop for people to be able to overlook the bay and also to do work. Because I like to be able to look at my projects while I do my editing. Part 1. These are just to hold it in place, but I'll definitely make it a little more sturdy by putting L brackets underneath. But it's lined up where we need it to be lined up, and now I just have to cut this corner table part. Now the board I got might be a little short, so we'll figure out this part, but for now, this is what you get. And it sits a couple of inches from this, so if I wanted, I can also create some sort of like footstools so people aren't putting their foot on this, but so far so okay. Now we can put stuff on this table. Sweet. In the front retail area, what up? So right now we're kind of working on simultaneously cleaning this place up while the epoxy guys are also filling in the cracks on the floor. So that's what they're doing. They've completely grinded it down, cleaned it, and now they're just going through the effort of filling in all of the cracks. And then at the same time, we are just refinishing the roof, because you can kind of see that some areas are a tinge of yellow. This part I already kind of painted white, and Eddie's helping prep all the sills, which we have to also mask off, because we are going to be starting to paint today. And most of this is going to be dark gray. The color is actually called Night Club, and most of the back walls and some of this area is going to be green, emerald green, like the color of his hoodie. Oh nice, I just recognized your hoodie. Shout out to us, Stevie. Yeah, dope. Good stuff, thanks Erica. This is 2 coats of the emerald green that we chose for wall paint. As you can see, they call this, I mean it hasn't fully dried yet, so it's a little wet still, but it's gonna have an eggshell finish. That's what they call it. Yeah, turning out. status update. Walls, lights. This isn't actually black, but it looks black. It's just a really, really dark gray. It's called Nightclub.
And there's also a pack of rollers too. You have a felt that rock as well? Perfect. Okay, I'll start the...
Right now, Dave and Oz are working hard at grinding the floor to prep it for epoxy. So it's a little dusty in here, but as you can see, all the walls are painted. So once these guys are finished cleaning up in here, we can come back and do the second coat on all of the walls. But for now, I'm just gonna keep working on whatever else I can work on. So let's head to the back and show you guys what the other bays look like, because they're actually completed. Man, when we get enough funds, we're gonna pay a company to paint this wall green, because that is too much painting for me. First off, let me show you guys the part KMR, part SR International bay. Booyah. So the flake is all put on, but they haven't epoxied or clear coated it yet. So look closely, this is still loose. So not gonna touch that, and right now we can't do anything in this room. So we'll leave that. But let me show you guys Sunny's bay, the completed bay. Whew. Now this is epoxied, clear coated. So nice. So the plan is to actually have this puppy room, or this puppy daycare room, so that if we come to the garage, we can just leave our puppies here and be guilt-free in a sense. So that's the bay, and it's actually like 2 times bigger than the bay we're currently at right now. But this is the puppy room. So my plan is to just clean this up. Sunny already tried his best, but I don't think plywood is supposed to be straight like that, right? It's supposed to be like a brick pattern. You want to make sure it's clean enough so that if you drop food on the floor, you can pick it up and eat it with confidence. He's always there. Aw, Gohan. It's me, Gohan, it's me. Look at him, he looks like a teddy bear. What the heck? Papa. Papa. Oh, it's me. Oh, it's me. Oh, what's the matter? What's up, Papa? I'm here. Okay, Papa. Straight to the back. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video. So the reason why it's kind of moving faster than it should really is because Angus, Eddie, and Sunny actually stayed till like 3-4 a.m. yesterday. So yeah, no, it's cool that it's going this fast. And also the epoxy guys, they actually already finished one of the bays. So that's pretty crazy. They're gonna do the bigger bay tomorrow, and then hopefully if we're finished with the front area, they can move into that room as well. And for the front retail area, we actually have a different idea. We're gonna try to do like a black marble finish. Like if you just search up black swirl epoxy. You guys will find some ideas on Google. Also, big shout outs to anyone who came by the garage to lend a helping hand. You know who you are. Without you guys, probably wouldn't be going as fast as it is. I'm just excited to move in, but obviously there's still a lot of work to do. But yeah, at this rate, I think we can probably move in the next few days. So stay tuned, guys. So much more to look forward to from us. And yeah, it's just the beginning. For now, I'm gonna end the video, probably get some rest or do a power nap or something because I still have to edit this video. Appreciate you guys for watching today's Vlogmas episode, and we'll see you in tomorrow's. Peace.